What's going on, guys? It's Cardo Go here, back again with another video. I know it's been a minute. There's a lot of changes with the tuck. Oh, I know it's been a minute. There's a lot of changes with the scat. But I'm gonna get to it. There's a lot of other things that need to be added. You see the big package down there? A little something different for the floor. Yeah, you guys are familiar with those whole diamond stitch floor mats that are padded and all that? Yeah, I got some.
Oh my God! Wow!
Before we begin, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and when the video's over, comment down below your thoughts if you have these floor mats, and let me know what you guys think. Good, bad, your experiences, pros, cons. I'm always up to answer people's comments, and of course, I always do answer people's comments, good or bad, whatever you choose, but hopefully good. But let's get to it. Oh yeah. Package here, package big manila type potato sack packaging, but it got the floor mats in there and they're sitting in there pristine. I really like these guys. Excuse the dirty car, super dirty. Look, a little spider on there, crazy. But anyways, I'm really feeling the yellow because I thought it honestly was gonna be like a lighter yellow, but this yellow's super perfect. This yellow is super perfect. It's the same yellow as the accents in my car, so I definitely rock with it. Let me go ahead and try to set up this camera if I can and show you guys a quick install. It's super easy, guys. It fits the driver's side, passenger side, and the whole back end there. So let me go ahead and get this started, show you guys a quick before, and then gonna show you guys pretty much after. I already took out the old floor mats, kind of getting tethered up there. Few goodies. You guys haven't really seen the inside, but yeah, I got a few things. But you see that there for my feet? Filthy. Gotta go ahead and definitely change that up there. Excuse the mess in my car, guys. If you guys haven't checked out my tech channel, go ahead and subscribe to Level Gorilla. I'm gonna explain how I've been flipping these Xboxes because I've been buying the Series X's and the Series S's and the PS5s, and I give them to people cheaper if they can give me their old console. So this is another happy customer from early this morning. Gave him a Series X, gave me his old console, and I'm gonna sell these actually cheaper than other people are selling these and still make a profit. I might lightweight show you how to do that. But anyways, let's get to this dirty old floor right here. Of course, you know, I have the kiddos that usually are in the back and everything like that, and they always leaving, you know, popcorn and candy and stuff like that. Thankfully, not on the suede. But it's not really in the carpet or embedded in the carpet, but let's go ahead and vacuum all this out, get these super cool floor mats in there, and then we get to rolling. Of course, gotta clean that up. You know how it is. It never ends. Go Cardo, go up. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get this out. See what they look like. I already took a sneak peek, took one out. Sheesh. Super dope. I hope they're labeled. I'm pretty sure they are. Generally easy to install. Most of these have these tabs right here. You actually use these to, it'll be this way, and you tuck it under adjacent areas pretty much. You see that? Yellow with the yellow. Is the car matching the mat, or are the mats matching the car? Sheesh. Look at that. Same yellow. Definitely rocking with that. But we're gonna go ahead and get these figured out. I'm gonna quickly install these. Self-explanatory, guys. Let's put that in there. I'm gonna show a quick B-roll of what they look like afterwards. But again, all these that come already pre-installed on there, you just tuck them in. Super easy. We're gonna get this going. Go Cardo, go. Oh yeah. Hey, so real quick, let me tell you, it's pretty hot out here. It's like 89, 90 degrees, and I'm doing this. Let me show you guys real quick what it looked like, and I'm really liking this. This is dope. I already did the passenger side. Let's take a little peek at what it looks like. Oh yeah. Look at that. Sheesh. Of course, you got these little things right here. It's super dirty. Do forgive me for in and out of the car. So yeah, gotta clean that, but sheesh, that fitment perfect. And I got some interior lights I had in the trunk for like 2.5 years. I actually had it on the Tux, and I did a video on it. Believe it or not, guys, I still do a lot of videos. It's just I don't release all the videos. Look at that. Sheesh. Hey. Let's go ahead and knock out the other ones real quick and be right back with it. All the way up on them. Oh yeah. In case you guys didn't know, big shout out to my sponsors, Focused on Forever, Blinders. You see it. Ooh, wait. Super official right there. Make sure you guys follow them on IG. Also follow me on IG. Right there. Go Cardo Go. We out here. Look at the horses. Horses in the horses. On top of horses. Go Cardo Go.